Hello students, now today is our second session. So we are discussing about chapter 1 and chapter 1 matter in our surrounding. So chapter 1 matter in our surrounding, we are discussing about characteristics of particles of matter. So we already discussed about first property, which is particles of matter have space between them. Particle of matter have space between them. ये हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Now next property means every matter has a space between their particles. Next property is that particles of matters are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Okay. Particles of matter are continuously moving means particles continuously move means they are not fixed and all the time they are moving. Suppose you do an activity to understand this. Put an unlit incense stick in corner of your room. How close do you have to go near it so as to get it smell? Means क्या करना है, एक अगरबत्ती विदाउट बर्निंग मतलब बिना जली हुई. सो हाउ क्लोज डू यू हैव टू गो नियर इट, सो इज आप कितना क्लोज जा सकते हैं जिससे उसकी स्मेल आए. नाउ लाइट द इंसेंस स्टिक. व्हाट हैपन? डू यू गेट द स्मेल सिटिंग एट ए डिस्टेंस? डू यू गेट द स्मेल सिटिंग एट ए डिस्टेंस? मतलब आप थोड़ी दूर पूरे कमरे में हो, आपको उसकी स्मेल आएगी इफ इट इज इंसेंस. सो दिस एक्टिविटी क्लियरली टेल अस अबाउट दैट particles of matters are continuously moving. They possess what we call the kinetic energy. So the particles has kinetic energy. Kinetic energy means moving, the energy which is associated with motion. The energy which is associated with motion is known as kinetic energy. Okay. So particles has kinetic energy. As the temperature rises, particle move faster. So we can say that with increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of the particle increase. Means increase in temperature बढ़ाने पर, increase in temperature, the kinetic energy also increase. काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीज मतलब अगर आप किसी चीज का टेम्परेचर बढ़ाओगे तो उसकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी भी इंक्रीज होती है. सो in the above activity we observe that particles of matter intermix on their own with each other. Means पार्टिकल जो हैं, particles of matter intermix on their own with each other मतलब पार्टिकल एक दूसरे में मिक्स हो जाते हैं with their own मतलब अपने आप से. So they do so by getting into the space between the particle. How they mix with each other? They do so by getting into the space between the particles. Okay, this intermixing of particles of two different types. So now note down the important things. Intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. The most important terms here, diffusion. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is the intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. मतलब पार्टिकल, दो अलग अलग तरह के पार्टिकल्स एक दूसरे में मिक्स हो जाते हैं तो उस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं डिफ्यूजन. We also observe that on heating, diffusion become faster. When you heat things on heating, diffusion become faster. Diffusion become faster means if you heat matter and then intermixing of the substance is become faster. मतलब आप चीजों को गर्म करोगे तो डिफ्यूजन बहुत तेजी से होने लगेगा. So why does this happens? Can you tell why does this happen? Why does this happen? ऐसा क्यों होता है? Anyone tell me why does this happen? Because when heating, the kinetic energy of the particles is increased, so that the rate of diffusion also increase. So this is our second point. Particles of matter are moving continuously. Now let's discuss our third point, which is going to be particles of matter attract each other. The third point is that particles of matter attract each other. मतलब एक पार्टिकल दूसरे पार्टिकल को खींचेगा, अट्रैक्ट करेगा. So you can understand this by an activity. Take an iron nail which is given on your book. See this. Take an iron nail, a piece of chalk and a rubber band. Try breaking them by hammering, cutting on stretching. मतलब try breaking them by hammering. आप उसको हथौड़े से तोड़ने की कोशिश करो, कटिंग और स्ट्रेचिंग खींचने की कोशिश करो. In which of the above three substance do you think the particles are held together with greater force? किसमें ज्यादा आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी? Suppose nail, iron nail, piece of chalk and a rubber band. Of course iron nail is the strongest. Iron nail सबसे strong है. Piece of chalk easily break and rubber band easily stretch. So particles held together with greater force. The particles are held with ग्रेटर फोर्स इन आयरन नेल, मतलब आयरन नेल में सबसे ज्यादा वो ग्रेटर फोर्स होगा। सो टेक सम वाटर इन कंटेनर, ये एक और एक्टिविटी आप देख सकते हैं। सी दिस, टेक सम वाटर इन अ कंटेनर, ट्राई कटिंग द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर विथ योर फिंगर। Okay, were you able to cut the stream of water? Were you able to cut the stream of water? Yes, of course, we can cut the stream of water with our hand. What could be the reason behind the stream of water remaining together? वो क्या चीज है कि stream of water is remaining together, एक साथ लगी रहती है, अलग नहीं होती है। So, the above three activities suggest that particles of matter have force acting between them. These activities suggest that particles of matter have force acting between them. Okay, so particles of matter have force acting between them. This force keep the particle together. This force keep the particle together. ये फोर्स ही है जो पार्टिकल को एक दूसरे से साथ साथ रखती है। द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ दिस फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वेरियस फ्रॉम वन काइंड ऑफ मैटर टू द अनदर। सो इनकी जो स्ट्रेंथ है ऑफ दिस फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वेरियस फ्रॉम वन काइंड ऑफ मैटर टू अनदर। ओके, सो दिस इज थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर। पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर हैव स्पेस बिटवीन देम। सी दिस, particles of matter have space between them. This is the first point. Second point, particles of matter are moving continuously, and we discuss about diffusion. And particles of matter attract each other. Particles are held together with greater force in iron nail. Particles of matter have force acting between them. This force keep the particle together. Now let's discuss one question. See this question. Which of the following are matter? इनमें से कौन सा मैटर? Which of the following are matter? Chair matter? Yes, it is matter because it has space, it has volume and mass. Air matter, हवा भी एक मैटर है. Love, it is not matter, it is our feeling. Smell, स्मेल्स ऑफ पार्टिकल. हेट, नफरत, ये मैटर नहीं है, इट इज फीलिंग. अल्मोंड्स, दिस इज मैटर. थॉट, सोचना, थॉट इट इज नॉट मैटर. कोल्ड, ठंड, ये भी कोई मैटर नहीं है, इट इज नॉट मैटर. लेमन, इट इज मैटर. वाटर, मैटर. स्मेल ऑफ परफ्यूम. सो लेट्स लुक अनदर क्वेश्चन. गिव रीजन फॉर द फॉलोइंग ऑब्जर्वेशन. आपको ये जो ऑब्जर्वेशन है इसका रीजन बताना. द स्मेल ऑफ हॉट सिजलिंग फूड रीचेज यू सेवरल मीटर अवे. कोई गर्म खाना है तो उसकी खुशबू दूर तक आती है. बट टू गेट द स्मेल फ्रॉम कोल्ड फूड यू हैव टू गो क्लोज. लेकिन ठंडे खाने की खुशबू लेने के लिए आपको पास जाना पड़ता है. यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन विथ योर ओन. इफ यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंड देन टेल मी, आई विल सॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, now let's discuss about a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. एक डाइवर है, a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? मैटर की कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है? What are the characteristics of particle of matter? Okay, you can solve all this your question and note down in your copy. Okay, please note down all the important things whatever we learn in this session, please note down in your homework copy as well as your fair copy. Now let's discuss states of matter. Now we are discussing about states of matter. States of matter, कितनी स्टेट होती है मैटर की? So observe different types of matter around you. What are its different states? We can see that matter around us exists in 3 states. Matter around us exists in 3 states. First one is solid state. Second one is liquid state. And third one is gas state, gaseous state. Now let's talk about differently some important things about solid state. The first point is that solid state So let's discuss about solid state. Collect the following articles. कुछ चीजें कलेक्ट करो. A pen, a book, needle, a piece of wooden, sketch the shape of the above articles in your notebook. Sketch, ये जो आर्टिकल लिखे इनका स्केच अपनी नोटबुक में बनाइए by moving a pencil around them. Do all these have definite shape? Do all these have definite shape? No? Okay. Definite shape, distinct boundaries and a fixed volume. Try to find out this question and a fixed volume. Please try to find out this. All these are definite shape, distinct boundary, definite shape, distinct boundary and a fixed volume. All the above are examples of solid. These all are example of solid. We can observe that all these have a definite shape. इन सभी का एक definite shape होता है. All these have definite shape. All these have definite shape. Okay. All these have definite shape. All these have definite shape. डिस्टिंक्ट बाउंड्री, इनका सबका शेप फिक्स है, इनकी बाउंड्री भी स्पष्ट है. डिस्टिंक्ट मतलब साफ, क्लियर एकदम. ओके. ऑल दिस आर डेफिनेट शेप, डिस्टिंक्ट बाउंड्रीज एंड फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम so that it have negligible compressibility. And last, and the point is negligible compressibility. मतलब है means you cannot push a solid thing, मतलब आप इसको दबा नहीं सकते. Okay, means little compressibility. Solids have a tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Solid may break under force, but it is difficult to change their shape. Solid may break under force, but it is difficult to change their shape, so they are rigid. So they are rigid. Now let's discuss. Consider the following. कुछ एग्जाम्पल है, उनको कंसिडर करें आप. Consider the following. What about a rubber band? Can it change its shape on stretching? What about rubber band? Can rubber band change its shape? Yes, a rubber band can change its shape. Is it a solid? Rubber band, is it a solid? क्या यह solid है? Rubber band, yes, solid. ये भी solid है. What about sugar and salt? What about sugar and salt? शुगर और सॉल्ट के बारे में क्या सोचते हो आप? When kept in different jar, this take the shape of the jar. When kept in different jars, these take the shape of the jar. मतलब है when sugar and salt when kept in different jar, जब आप इसको अलग अलग जार में रखोगे, this take the shape of the jar, ये जार का ही शेप ले लेंगे. Are they solid? क्या ये भी solid है? Yes, it is also solid. So sugar and salt are also solid. What about a sponge? What do you think about sponge? Is it solid? Yet we are able to compress it. Why? It is a solid. Sponge ये भी solid है. It is solid, but we are able to compress it. But we are able to compress it. हम इसको दबा सकते हैं. Why? क्यों? Why? All the above are solid. A rubber band change shape under force and regain the same shape when the force is removed. If excessive force is applied, it breaks. The shape of the individual sugar or salt crystal remain fixed. Means the shape of individual sugar, shape of individual sugar or salt crystal remain fixed. Okay, इंडिविजुअल जो शुगर है, whether we take in our hand, put in a plate or in a jar. A sponge has minute holes. Let's talk about sponge. A sponge has minute holes in which air is trapped. Sponge होता है, it has a minute holes in which air is trapped. इनके बीच में air trapped होती है. When we press, the air is expelled. When we press the sponge, the air is expelled, बाहर निकल जाती है, and we are able to compress it. So this is the main key features about solid state. Let's look one more time, and today we are going to end of the session. So pen, book, needle, piece of wooden, all these have definite shape, distinct boundary, इनका shape fix होता है, distinct boundary and a fixed volume, इनका volume भी fix होता है. volume मतलब जगह. definite shape, distinct, fixed volume, negligible compressibility, मतलब इनको बहुत कम ये compress होंगे. negligible compressibility. Now we can discuss rubber band. It is also solid. Sugar and salt, it is also solid. जब आप when kept in different jar, this take the shape of the jar, so it is also solid. Sponge, we can compress this, we are able to compress it, but shape of individual sugar or salt crystal remain fixed. And sponge, स्पॉन्ज हैव मिनिट होल्स, स्पॉन्ज हैव छोटे छोटे होल्स होते हैं, इन विच एयर इज ट्रैप्ड, व्हेन वी प्रेस इट the air is expelled out and we are able to compress it. So this is the main features of solid state. Okay, so now we are going to end of the today's session. Please purchase your books, and if you don't have books then it is difficult for you, so please purchase your book, and whatever you didn't understand, please mention me. I will solve all your problem, and do your homework, make your copy and note down all the important things whatever you learned in this session. Okay, bye, thank you.